My name's Keegan. Good afternoon. This is my new Holland LB 75 backhoe. I'm selling this thing. I'm actually going to kind of miss it. It's a really nice piece of equipment. It has a brand new tire over on the other side. It's equipped with over the bucket fork. These are custom built. Some guys like the ones that you pick up, scoop up underneath, stick on there. I wanted a little bit more rigid set that wasn't going to come off if I was lifting a car or something. So I had these ones custom built. This is a 2-inch shock resistant shaft. Put the collars on there. To actually take these off, you have to unbolt these collars and slide this whole thing out. I usually don't. I usually just leave it on there, but then again, I don't use the front bucket much. As you can see, it runs real nice. No real issues with it ever running or lifting or really anything. Brand new tire that I put on it. Has a brand new hydraulic hoses. There's one of them developed a pin leak, so I replaced it. There's a couple others that they were looking gnarly, so I went ahead and replaced them. I'll take that camera from here real fast. One of the things that you'll see in here is I'm kind of anal about how nice I keep my equipment. I mean, it's not going to show 100% here, but I just actually cleaned this whole cab out. I don't like dusty cabs, but it's kind of muddy out here, as you can see. So I really spend time to keep this nice, all the windows clean, all the dust off the consoles. Really nice, comfy, cozy operator cab. It does not come factory equipped with AC, but it does come factory equipped with heat. It's got a 4-speed transmission. Obviously everything that you can expect here. It does have the 4-in-1 bucket, as you can see by those cylinders down there. I'll show that a little bit later in the video. Really, all you could ask that there's a treadle for the Extend-A-Hoe. Really not too much that you wouldn't come to expect other than just a nice clean unit. So I'm going to hand this back to my assistant here, and I'm going to go ahead and show it digging a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and show the front 4-in-1 in action. Kind of how that behaves with those over the bucket forks on there as well. All right, I'm gonna dig. Hey.
dream toy.
Up super good, nor did I dig super deep or anything, just to show you guys this stuff works. I tried to whip the extended hoe all the way out, showing that it holds that, and I also showed it with it sucked in. It's a nice piece to have, it really gets you that extra depth when you need it. To be honest with you, I have not dug very much with this machine. This machine, I guess, had lived on 2 farms. It was bought brand new by a farmer, and then was sold to a guy down the road to him on another farm. And then it came to me. I primarily use this piece to do my heavy lifting around here with the wheel, the force, or with the hoe. A lot of times just that D-ring there and chain slinging out whatever I need is 90% of what this thing sees its use as. It has done a little bit of projects here and there, but nothing really too super significant. Doesn't see a lot of use on the rear bucket as far as digging or engaging the ground. Nor does it on the front here. Come closer. Look at this machine. Obviously the wear surfaces don't show that much wear. I don't know if this cutting edge has ever been flipped around or not. It's a 4-in-1 bucket, so it has another edge at the back there. It looks good. I'll engage the front bucket, kind of show you guys how all that works here in a minute. As you can see, the only reason these forks have duct tape on them is because I was trying to keep them together. They do pre-float on this bar. This bar is greased. Best way to do whatever you're looking to do, spread them the distance that you want them, get them up underneath there, and usually gravity will hook what you need and hold them in place, hold them apart. Now, if there's some reason that you need to have them a certain width apart, take a 2x4 or something, put that in there, hold those jokers apart, and then chain them like that. Or sometimes I'll take it, get them around when I want, slide them together, and then chain them at the back and the front, throw a binder over it, and I can haul like a real wire per se down the road 4 or 5 miles. It's kind of, you know, your sky's the limit with your imagination on these forks and how to use them. Be smart, do so safely, they'll be great for you. I don't care whether you're trying to carry a damn sewer pipe or a reel or whatever the hell you're trying to do. Forklift cars, it doesn't really matter. This machine does it well. These are custom made forks. They are a 2x6 by 5/16 tube, and then they're reinforced at every wear point. That's 3/4 inch reinforcements right there, 3/4 or 1/2 inch reinforcements up here, with a 1/2 inch wall DOM. So it's going to slide perfectly on this hardened shaft. It's a hardened shaft resistant shaft. I'm going to go ahead and cut these pieces of tape. I'll show you guys how easy this puppy slides. You can see they slide real nice. I would say one-handed action, but let me put my knife away first. All the way out. I think they're about 60 inches to split all the way apart. That slid all the way apart. Obviously, we see them slid all the way together. I usually like to make the pick right about there. That's kind of my ideal pick point for picking about anything. Seems to do real nice. But sky's the limit kind of with these guys. They just hinge on this bar. When I'm digging with this thing, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll set it down, the bucket flat, pull the forks back so the forks are able to come up, and then I'll set the bucket down flat and dig with it like that. I've never had a problem doing that. Might not be the preferred work method for some guys. If that's the case, take them off and do your work that way. If you're one of these guys that really feels the need or is in a situation where you have no choice but to flip that bucket over there and stick it on the ground like it's supposed to be. Otherwise, for every bit of digging I've ever done, I've had the forks on. Right, wrong, and different. Use it however you need to, whatever the case may be. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this 4-in-1 bucket, especially the clamshell opens up. Backhoe's really any rubber tired machine is not really great for dozing. So using that as a dozer is kind of long shot at best, but the capability's there. If you want to grab a tree or something in there, it does a pretty good job of that. Again, it's a rubber tired hoe, there's glass everywhere, it doesn't maneuver real nice, so if I'm doing a lot of tree work or something, pick up a lot of trees, I'll go ahead and get an excavator. But it's there, you can do that. It's also nice if you're up against something and you need to just, rather than flicking that bucket up and over, you can just open the damn bucket. That's sometimes a nice way to empty out your material. I'll show you guys it next. There's also one of the things I really like about the New Holland. I don't know that all the other manufacturers have it. Nice pick point here for whatever you want to rig to. That is a stock pick point, so pretty stout there. I think it'll pick anything that this tractor can actually pick, it'll do it. I dig with, and I mentioned earlier, I just let the forks hit the ground, push back a little bit, and then there I am with my bucket fully on the ground, and I can step my stabilizers and get to digging. Machine has 2 brand new deck of batteries in it. That's brand new actually. When I got them, the last guy that had it before me asked if I wanted them replaced. I said sure, might as well. They were getting to the end of their life and put these new ones in, and I haven't had any problems with it since. Nice machine. $26,500 makes it yours, forks and all. I honestly have been looking at some of the other machines out there when I priced this one and when I decided to sell this one. I don't think you're going to find too many others like this. I'm located in Des Moines, Iowa. You can get this thing on a truck, whether you need a drop deck or whether you're putting this thing on something that your trailer, putting ramps up to your trailer, wherever. We got a place we can load it out here. Just give me a call. My name's Keegan. My phone number is 515 area code 779-3985. Love to talk to you about it and maybe you'll end up taking it home. Have a great day.